my YouTube channel. In this video, I'm gonna share with you some habits which usually toppers follow to get good marks. So without wasting any time, let's get directly to the first habit. Listening teachers with 100% attention. It's a very good and important habit of toppers, as sometimes, or we can say usually, teachers say some important things which are not mentioned in your books. If you are listening attentively, you will catch it and note it down in your notebooks, which will help you further in your classes, in your exams, etc. Making notes regularly. Regular note making habit will help you a lot with your weak points and tough stuffs. It will enable you to revise the chapter quickly at the time of your exams. Whatever you find difficult or important, note it down as a point and work on it. Most important thing to remember while making notes is to make it attractive by using different colored pens and highlighters. Try to understand things instead of just memorizing them. Memorizing things will obviously help you to score good marks in your exams, but practically you will have very less knowledge, which will throw you back in your life. Ask your doubts without any hesitation. Whenever you feel like confused, instantly raise your hand and ask your doubt. Don't feel shy at all. If teacher is not there at the time you found the doubt, note it down somewhere and ask him as soon as possible. Asking doubts will help solve your doubts and increase your knowledge. Make your own timetable and try hard to follow it daily. Making your own timetable will assure you that you are allotting proper time to each subject and will avoid wastage of time. Set challenging but achievable goals. Toppers set challenging goals, but they must be achievable at the same time. You must have seen toppers aiming at achieving above 95% in exams. It's an achievable aim, but it's challenging as well. Self-study. It's very important. Attending your classes regularly and attentively will not make you a topper. You will have to give time to your own method of studying. Do self-study for 5 to 6 hours daily.